Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have came with another amazing section for all classic CBSE board students of a science subject chapter 1, that is food. Where does it come from? And before going into the topic guys, I want to make sure one thing, that all of you have joined my Telegram group. If not, the link is in the description. Go and join. And yeah, let's get into topic. Yeah, okay. Might some people have doubt, why is it necessary to join? You can ask your doubts, and also you can give me suggestions for the next upcoming classes. What do you wanna ask me to explain that? Okay. Yes. Let's start. Food. Where does it come from? Yeah. As we know, food is very important. It is very essential for a human being to survive. What did you eat at home today? Find out what your friend ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? Here he is saying that to he's asking us to what did you eat today? And what your friend ate today, did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? He's asking like that. Means suppose for okay me, and suppose my friend is Shruti. Okay, yeah. So what I ate, I will be listing them. Suppose maybe idli, brinjal, potato, rice. Yeah. What Shruti ate? Shruti will be saying brinjal. Suppose brinjal, rice, dosha, etc. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? No, no. We all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? Yes. See, we all eat different kinds of food, different varieties of food, different days, right? We eat different kinds of food at different times. If we eat today, we can, if suppose, yeah, we are eating today idli, means tomorrow we don't eat idli again. We will be different kinds of food. It will vary, okay? It varies with different times. Food variety, here they gave the activity 1. All of you listen carefully, I will be reading that activity. Ask your friends in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. See if you can also get this information from friends staying in different states of India. List all the items in your notebook as given in table 1.1 for as many friends as possible. See here, there is an activity. What they are saying is, what do we eat? Yeah, they are saying to ask your friends in the school about the items they would be eating in a day or during a day. Suppose you take yesterday, you ask your friends what they ate yesterday. You write your friend's name here, and you list there what they ate in a day. Okay. Suppose to explain you, I'll be giving an example, that is me. I'm writing myself Hanika. Food items eaten in a day. I ate dosa yesterday morning, and rice with paneer afternoon, and rice with yeah, brinjal curry. I ate brinjal curry. Yeah, like that you have to list. Suppose in this list your friend is, suppose treat me as a friend. I'm Hanika. Okay, treat me as a friend, Hanika, and write what Hanika ate yesterday. What are the food items you ask her, and you mention here. Okay, Like that you can make for you can write this for as many friends as possible. How many friends have you can write for them, and hope this clear for you. Clear, guys? Yeah. And see here they gave some varieties, some food varieties. This is idli, fish, and it is kind of sambar. Yeah, sambar. And yeah, this table one, if it is not sufficient here, you can do in notes. It's better. Okay, you do in notes. This table one, do in notes. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. What are these food items made of? Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. To prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on. Here, here, he's saying that there seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. Yeah, variety in the food. What are these food items made of? Have you ever wondered about this? What are these food items made of actually? See, here they gave an example about rice cooked at home. To make this, we take raw rice and boil it in water. Just that. Just as simple as that. We take raw rice and boil it in water, and after some we leave it for some minutes, and after that boiled rice is ready, right? How many materials we needed for this? Two. Raw rice and water. These materials we can also call as ingredients. What is that? Ingredients means the materials required to prepare a dish. The materials required to prepare a dish. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. What are the two ingredients needed? Raw rice as well as water. These are the two ingredients needed to prepare boiled rice, or this you can show as pictures here else. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients, right? To prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on, right? Vegetable curry, we need many ingredients, but for some kind of dishes we need only two or three ingredients, but for some we need many ingredients. It varies with the type of food item we are preparing. Okay, yeah. And here they give one more activity number 2. Choose some of the items you listed in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare these by discussing with your friends and elders at home. List them in table 1.2. Some examples are given here. Add some more items to this list. Table 1.2, food items and their ingredients. Food item: roti chapati. Ingredient: to prepare roti we need atta, water, and a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. And dal: to prepare dal we need pulses, water, salt, oil or ghee, spices. Yeah, still here he is saying that, yeah, here he is saying that choose some of the items what you listed in table 1.1. We have listed some of the items which our friends ate in a day, during a day, and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare these. What ingredients are used to prepare these? So, yeah, we should take the food items which we mentioned in table 1.1, and here we should write the ingredients of the food items. Okay, you can do this as homework. What do we find? Do we find some ingredients common for different food items discussed in class? So where do these ingredients come from? Yeah. So after this table on the last day of it's like on the last section I will be discussing, I will be giving some daily, I will be giving you homework in every section, and on the last section I will be discussing all the homeworks, means all the tables, and these questions also. Okay, what do we find? Do we find some ingredients? These questions I will be discussing in the last section. Now, food materials and the sources. Food materials and sources. Yeah, and also here they gave some pictures. These some food items, not food items. They give some pictures, so we shall write their names. Firstly, this is fruits. It's very easy, as you know. These are fruits, and different types of fruits are present here. Banana is there, mango is there, and pineapple is there, and apple is there. Okay, and here next it is looking, it might be dosa or a parota. You will be saying that it may be any one of these two, mostly parota. And this is the hen, it's the eggs of the hen. Yeah, now we shall go into the topic, food materials and sources. It may be easy for us to guess the source of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2. Fruits and vegetables, for instance. Where do they come from? Plants, of course. What are the sources of rice or wheat? You may have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants which give us these grains. See, here what they are saying means these ingredients we get from plants, but there are also some, yeah, there are animals as well from which food items, from which they we can use as food items, their products we use as food items. And yeah, first let us discuss about plants. Okay, ingredients come from plants, about that we will discuss. And have you ever seen paddy or wheat fields? Right, from there only, from their paddy or wheat fields with rows, farmers used to cultivate that in agriculture. So from paddy we'll get, paddy means rice, we'll get rice, and wheat means it is wheat we'll get, and yeah, which give us these grains. They will give us these grains, and we'll go to Guinea, and we will do, it's like a what a powder they will do, and we'll be returning with it. And then, as I said, there are food items like milk, eggs, meat, chicken, fish, prawns, beef, pork, and such others which come from animals. Milk we get from cow, buffaloes, eggs from hens, meat from animals only we get, and all these from animals only we get: chicken, hen, fish, prawns, beef, pork, all others and such others. Right? Yeah. Now activity 3. Here there is one more activity. Let us take the food items listed earlier and try to find out where they come from, the ingredients and their sources. Some examples are shown in table 1.3. Fill in the blanks in table 1.3 and add more examples to this list. Yes, yeah. These two pictures tomorrow or like in the next section in the telegram you send me, you should explain about this two pictures. Okay, this is the homework. Table 1.3, ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. Prepare food items and their sources. Here in activity 3, what they are saying means, let us take the food items listed earlier. Means in earlier table 1.1 and table 1.2, what we have listed some food items, right? So we should take that food items in table 1.3 and we should try to find out where they come from. Should write their ingredients and sources. Okay, some examples they gave us some examples and we should fill in the blanks. They left some these blanks. Okay, want you can add some more food items as well. You do this also in notes. Every table you do in notes, it's better and it helps you. Okay, okay, you fill this blanks and this is also the one of the homework. Yeah, what do we conclude from activity 3? Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Animals provide us with milk, meat products, and eggs. Milk, meat products, and eggs. Cows, goats, and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese, and curd are used all over the world. Can you name some other animals which give us milk? Can say buffalo, right? Bu- okay, buffalo is also already listed. No problem. We can take another animal. That is donkey. Yeah. Here to this para is very important. Very important. A total chapter is important because it is related to food. Means food is very essential for us to survive the life. Total chapter is important, but this para is more important. That chapter is more important. The para is most important. This para, okay. Here they are saying that we concluded that plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Animals provide us with eggs, milk, and meat products. Milk is produced by cows, buffaloes. Meat is milk, and milk products like butter, cream, cheese, and curd are used all over the world. Yes, we know that. And here they are asking one question, can you name some other animals which give us milk? So it can be donkey. Donkey. Yeah. Now next, plants, parts, and animal products as food. Okay. Let yeah. Plants, parts, and animal products as food. Plants are one source of our food. Which parts of a plant are these? Which parts of a plant are these? Yeah, plants are one source of our food. Definitely. We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants. Apple, banana, mango, all fruits. Sometimes roots, sometimes stems, and even flowers. Yeah, flowers. We eat cauliflower. Oh my god. Let me erase it. Yeah, cauliflower. is the flower part. Have you ever eaten pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste and fried? Right. So here they gave a food item named pumpkin flowers. So they are saying that they are saying to try it. I haven't tried ever. Let me try now. Pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste and fried. Okay, we will do this activity as well. And here Paheli wants to know if any of her food comes from sources other than plants and animals. Yeah, this is the good question. Very nice question. And what the doubt she is asking is very nice doubt, extremely. And this is the homework for you. You should say me why in the Telegram group. You should give me an exact explanation of that. Okay, right? Yeah. And here plant and parts of a plant. They gave plant and parts of a plant here. Are you able to see? Yes. Let me read this. After that, I will be explaining this diagram, right? Some plants have two or more edible. Edible means eatable. Some plants have two or more eatable parts. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil, and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used as food? Think of more examples where many parts of a single plant are used as food. See, some plants have two or more than that eatable parts. Here they as well they gave example too. Let's see the example. This example is of mustard plant, which the seeds of mustard plant is used as a oil. We already know that. And the leaves are used as a vegetable. The leaves are used as a vegetable as well. Yes. And can you think of the different parts of banana plant that are used as food? Yeah. This question is also a homework for you. Right? You have to, can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used as food, and think of more examples. You include banana in that list. Okay, think of more examples where many parts of a single plant are used as food. Yeah, coming to this diagram, plant, this is the flower, bird means upcoming flower. Okay, in two or more than that, it will be rising as flower. The bird will be rising as a flower. That is the meaning of a bird. Means in simple words like that. Actually, it is not the meaning. Okay. The upcoming flower. Stem. This is the stem, and this is the leaf, and these are the roots. So yeah, flower, stem, leaf, bird, roots. In this, we can also mention fruit as well. Suppose let me draw any fruit. Suppose type you think this as a fruit. Okay. The fruit. Yeah. Now set. And seed means this is the seed. We will dig the soil and we'll give the seed, and then after will grows like a big plant. This small seed grows as a big plant. Okay. Yeah. And see, this part above roots is known as shoot system. Shoot system. Below the roots is known as a, not below the roots, means this is known as root system. And this shoot system also called as plumule. It's called as plumule, and this is called as a radicle. This is very important. Please note down in your notes, or else you can note down in textbook as well. Okay? Yeah. And also students, you draw this parts of plant. It is very important. As I told you to draw fruit as well, you draw that fruit as well, and this seed as well. Okay, the growing parts. If possible, you can draw how seed grows into a plant slowly. Okay, that is also very important. So you can, or else you can draw this as well. It's enough. Activity 4. From all the food items you have listed in table 1.3, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. Which part of a plant? Identify these and list the food items and plant parts as shown in table 1.4. See, here, okay, wait, yeah. Here in activity 4, they are saying that the food items which are listed in table 1.3, we have to choose those food items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. And we should mention which part of a plant. Identify this and list the food items, and here, okay. See, suppose for example, here they say that whose ingredients are obtained from plants. So yeah, rice ingredient from plant source only, and oil also. Rice is same, like after doing that it may be from plants. Okay, you choose after that also. So plants, suppose here we are taking the example of rice and oil, and here we should mention that what part. So here we should mention the food item and ingredients and a plant part which gives us the ingredient. Okay, like a root, stem, fruit, flower, like that. Okay, suppose we take an example of cauliflower. Cauliflower, and we should write the ingredients of cauliflower as mostly I don't know, because I don't know how to cook. Okay, let it be. All cauliflower, and remaining you write the ingredients, and plant part which give us the ingredient. Flour. Flour. Right? So you should write like this. Hope this is clear. And yeah, do not try to test unknown plants around you to see if they are edible. Why they are saying like this? Some plants could be poisonous. See, they are saying to do not try to test unknown plants around you to see if they are edible. Okay, if they are eatable. You know, edible means eatable. Yeah, if they are eatable. Some plants could be poisonous too. You know, poisonous plants, insectivorous plants, they are very poisonous, right? And do not try to test unknown plants around you. So be careful. Do not try like this. The girl, what she is doing, you should not do like that. Okay? Should be very careful with that. And yeah. So the next activity and the next topic we shall cover in the next sections. This is enough for today's section. And what I gave you homework? What homework I gave you from starting? I gave this activity 1, that is table. Sorry. Yeah, this table 1, table 2, And in this activity 3, that is table 1.3, I gave you. And this to draw in notes I gave you. This is very important. And also I said think of more examples where many parts of a single plant are used as food. And table 1.4, and that's it. And Pehli, yeah, Pehli wants to know this also. Okay, these are the homework. If you did this, you can share a send a send a you can send a pic to me, a pic to the Telegram group, that which is in given, the link is given in the description. You can join that group and you can send me your homework. Means you can give me the send me a pic or else type text. Okay, or you can text as well. And yeah, one thing, these what I'm giving homeworks to you, activity 1 to like table 1, table 2, there are some questions also I'm giving. I will be discussing this all at the last section. Okay, I will be discussing that. Surely I will be discussing that. And in the next section, I will be discussing the activity number 5, number 6, and number 7. Okay, and this is all about today's class. Okay, till until the next section, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, and bye guys. Bye. Meet you all in the next section, and do join my Telegram group. Okay, bye. Meet you all in the next section. Thank you.